Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can mute notifications in Google Pixel Watch 3. So first way you can do that is to wake the watch up and make sure to be on the watch face. From here, swipe downwards to launch the control panel, look for the ring or bell icon and tap on it to switch off the ringer or to simply, mute all sounds pretty much, both including ringtone, notifications and so on. Or you can launch settings, enter the sound category. Here look for the notification volume. Let me first of all exit the silent mode and separately decrease the volume of notifications. Oh, I've accidentally exited settings, so let me get back real quick. So simply select notification volume and then press minus to reduce it and mute it all the way, or you can adjust its volume as well. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.